So I'm in Megamall now, and I'm on my way to the BTS Pop-Up Store. I'm about to meet Jill. They just arrived here. It's currently 10:05 a.m. We are almost late. Megamall opens at 10 a.m. So I was really nervous about the time slot that we have because our time slot for the BTS Pop-Up is at 10:15 a.m. I can see it. Oh, this is so exciting. So this is the line. There's BTS. This is the pop-up store, I believe.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the juice.
Oh my gosh, it's so exciting.
Drown myself inside the juice, yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. That night, I'm just
They changed the position. Oh, okay. I love how that's what you're here for na lang. To know the differences every time.
my love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page tonight? Can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation.
Damn. Cushion blankets, they were actually full earlier and it's almost gone. There are umbrellas, these 3D posters. Hi Jill! She's the real army here.
Is your love and affection? Won't you give some of it to me? Yeah, I need.
So this is disco.
And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation.
Okay, so we finished with the BTS Pop-Up Store. I didn't get anything. We're just going to the K Bazaar. There is a K-Day Bazaar in Megamall as well, and I know they sell more merch there, so I'm gonna check that out. And maybe if we have more time, I'm going to walk in. So this is the Korean fair or the Korean bazaar. So this can be found sa Fashion Hall. Okay, we found it. So I'm just at the restroom right now and I'm going to the BTS Pop-Up Store in a while. So we already went there earlier, but then we decided to go back again. We just decided to wait in line again and re-enter the Pop-Up Store. I'm not sure what we're going to do. I'm not sure if we're going to buy, but whatever happens, I hope that it's still fun. So this was my outfit for today. Just a floral blue top, white gorgeous belt, and of course a bag and sandals. That's the look for today. Round 2. Take 2. Yeah, we need more time. So that's our tip. Reserve 2 time slots when you go here.
Gentlemen, who you gonna call, baby? I've been waiting for you. We don't have to talk, we can sit still. Reticence, corner of my eye. What a wonderful cardigan, slipping out and out, baby. I've been waiting for you.
Actually, it was really that I'm filming.
No, I don't wanna dance, baby, after you leave. I'm showing up on your phone. see. I get so nervous when I think of you, alone in your bedroom, with the radio on or the radio off. I get so nervous when I think of you.
Jill and her indecisiveness, whether white or black.
Yung single nila, like when they released Black Swan, like the cover was white. If I get black, parang, have it na rin.
Yeah, you have black.
I should go white.
Yeah, I'd say get white.
White.
White?
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow.
The hoodie's bigger than the basket.
I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me? If I'd stayed in my city.
First, I'm not buying anything. Empty basket. Hey, should I buy this? Oh my gosh, I don't know. Should I get it? Get it? Get it? It's meant to be cash. So should I get it? I'm already attached.
Standing over in a nightgown. She's got the phone call twisted around her finger. She's a sight to
Yay,
see.
we bought something. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're done with the BTS Pop-Up Store. And Jill, nambudol siya. I bought it. I bought it last minute, like 2 minutes na lang. We're going to have McDo because the BTS meal, of course. So there's this place, free McFlurry. All for the free McFlurry. It's near the McDo restaurant if you're looking for it. Wait, what does it come with?
So it comes with pan-piece chicken nuggets, 2 sauces, Cajun and sweet chili. And it comes with Coke.
Okay.
You can upgrade as you need.
Yeah.
And got some fries as well. And
Okay, wow. So is that worth it?
I like it a lot.
You like it a lot? Yeah. How many times have you bought this?
I think this will be 6.
6 times? Are you legit?
I think so.
Oh my gosh, this is going to be my
Using
first.
it in my Coke sauce.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh my gosh, guys. So she's making her own photo cards because photo cards are so expensive.
Bye-bye. Thank you for today.
Okay, bye-bye.
You've been on my
My order arrived.
tell you all the time.
This is the BTS meal.
When you got your hands in mine.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And I got a free McFlurry. Oh my god, I love McFlurry. So this is free because I took a picture with the BTS meal. That's the color. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, this is the first time I'm having nuggets because this is not my usual order. When I go to McDo, I usually have chicken or a burger or fries. So this is the first time I'm actually having nuggets and the BTS meal, of course. So let's see. Whoa. I now understand. Oh my gosh. I'm not even exaggerating. Oh my gosh, I'm like kinikilig. Okay, I got some sweet chili and this is spicy, so I don't know why I put so much. Oh, that's spicy. Oh, I think I put too much. Whoa. Oh my god. If you eat these two at the same time, it's like something explodes in your mouth. I don't know how to explain it. I'm very happy. Actually, throughout this whole video, I am not yet an ARMY, but soon to be. We never know, right? Although I am a fan of BTS, I listen to their songs, I have a handful of their merch. I actually didn't know that I was going to buy something, but next thing we know, ta-da! I only bought one thing. Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! Okay, so this is what I got. So now I'm so happy! So this is the Hobie Tiny Tan Cushion Blanket. It looks like a plushie right now, but there is magic to it, I swear. I was hesitating at first, and then Jill was like showing me the reasons why I should get it. And of course, I fell for it naman, diba? I removed the plastic. Wow! So this is how it looks like. Magkatabi kayo matutulog. This is the highlight of the cushion blanket. So when you open it, just like that, it's a zipper. Oh, this is the first time I'm going to see it. Whoa! Wow! 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 Look at that. Look at that blanket. So you would think that if you remove the blanket, it's like air na lang, like there's nothing inside. But actually no, there's a cushion. And that's why it's called a cushion blanket. It's because there's a cushion as well. So you can just bring this one thing in the car, lay down, you have a pillow, you have a blanket, and you're good to go. And that's the reason why I got this talaga. And I found it very practical. For its price, not really, but for the pop-up store, this is one of the things that I feel like you would really find worth it. Here is the blanket. Okay, let's unfold it. This is how big it is. It's like more than an arm length on me. From your neckline until, for me, it's my knees. Maybe it would be until your waist. So I'm actually really small. So for me, this is really perfect. And I would just like it like that. Demonstration! Okay, let's go. You like do like that. And the pillow here. And then you go like that. And then, oh my gosh, hi Hobie. And so yeah, that's all for my video. I just want to say thank you, Jill, for being with me today. I really enjoyed today. And thank you for your boodle. I am very satisfied. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!